Hi, Gloria Carell with My Florida Dreams. Today we are at 8020 Desoto Drive in Colony Cove in Ellenton, Florida. This home is a 1989 Palm Harbor, a large home. As you can see, it's got newer type cabinets, and it's got a lot of cabinets in this home and a lot of storage. We have our island. And then we have our dining room. And as you can see, more cabinets. This home comes partially furnished. There are 2 storage sheds, a Florida room, and a screened room. This, of course, is our living room. A nice front entry. On the opposite side of the kitchen, we have our little den, nice and cozy. There is a small study area. Just enough room to set a computer and do your little paperwork. And of course, our guest bath. With an entry on both sides, so you can enter from the little study area or from the guest room. This is our guest room. And again, this home has cathedral ceiling, so it makes the home feel much larger. It's a large home to begin with. The screen room was just it was actually just done. It's brand new, a year ago possibly. And the air conditioner is 6 years old. This is our master. It has the his and her closets, very spacious. And our master bath features a garden tub as well as a shower. Call me, 570-854-6424.